maybe tips for, founders building in healthcare?
I do. I have a lot of tips. One, it's incredibly difficult, just to be frank about it. And it is harder now than ever before, I would say. And I've been selling in healthcare for my whole entire career, 15 years. Um, and it was never easy, but the bureaucracy and all those things make it really challenging. And it's not that like you don't convince one person to do it. It's that that one person, no matter how high they are at that company, they could be the chief executive officer, they could be the chairman of the board, they could be the founder. Even them don't really have full control over the service. So that's one reason it's hard if you're selling to large health plans. That said, it's a big, 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 big opportunity if you are able to crack it. People do tend to say like healthcare is like whatever trillions and trillions of dollars, but it's really like 1,000 $1 billion industries, and so that really kind of like I think gives you some context. That said, there are really big problems in healthcare, and frankly, healthcare in general is probably a decade behind other industries. Still ahead of trucking, I'd say historically, but um, it's an opportunity to really break in. I think if you're like an AI XYZ, it's a lot of noise right now. And so if you could provide like direct savings immediately, like that's going to help you win in healthcare, which is hard, especially for us, where I just like made this up. And so everyone's like, well, it sounds cute, it sounds nice, but like, are you saving money? And then I'm like, well, the lady was completely alone by herself, and now she's not. Like, and she was going to the hospital, and now she's not. But then they're like, was it you? How do we know it was you and not the text message I sent? And so, like, there's a lot of this debate. And so, if you have concrete evidence showing an impact in healthcare and you save them money immediately, I think you could win really fast. I do think marketplaces have a really, really ripe opportunity to win, and that's why, frankly, I think Papa is going to be like a very, very big company, just because compared to other services that are trying to do in-home care or transportation or anything of that regard, they're light years behind Papa's approach now, which is super advanced and using best in class technology.